This is the Math 1 EOC review. All right, so question 1 says select all tables that could represent a function. All right, so to represent a function, it has to have all unique x's. So if you remember, all the x's have to be different or unique, then it is a function. So let's look at each table and select the ones that represent a function. All right, in A, it's -4, -1, 1, 4. We don't have to worry about the y's, just the x's, so all of those are unique. All right, in D, these are all the same. So if you see that these are the same, then it is not a function. So not a function. And in B part, 0, 2, 4, 6, that one has all unique x's, so that one's a function. -3, -2, -1, 0, that one is a function as well. This one has 2 of the same number, 2 3's, so that one is not a function. So our answers here are A, B, and E.